Today, I'm going to teach you how to move groups between boards in Monday.com. This is incredibly useful when you need to reorganize your workflow or transfer a set of tasks to a different project board without losing any of your data or structure. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the source board that contains the group you want to move. Open Monday.com and from your workspace, locate and click on the board where your group currently lives. This could be a project board, a team board, or any custom board you've set up. Make sure you're viewing the correct board before proceeding, as this will save you time and prevent any confusion later on. Once you're on the source board, the next step is to locate the specific group you want to move. Groups in Monday.com are the colored sections that organize your items, and you'll find them listed on the left side of your board. Take a moment to identify which group you need to transfer to another board. Now hover your cursor over the group name on the left side of the board. As you do this, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon appears next to the group name. This menu is your gateway to various group management options, including the ability to move, duplicate, or delete groups. The three-dot menu only appears when you hover over it, so make sure your cursor is positioned correctly. Click on the three-dot menu to the left of the group name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing this group. This is where you'll find all the actions you can perform on the group, from changing its color to moving it to a different location. From the drop-down menu, click on Move Group. You'll see a sub-menu appear, and from there, select Move to another board. This option is specifically designed for transferring entire groups from one board to another while preserving all the items, columns, and data within that group. It's a seamless way to reorganize your workspace without having to manually recreate anything. After clicking Move to another board, a window will pop up displaying a list of all available boards in your workspace. This is where you'll choose the destination board. If you have many boards in your workspace, you can use the search bar at the top of this window to quickly find the board you're looking for. Simply type in the board name and it will filter the results for you. Select the destination board from the list by clicking on it. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a confirmation prompt. This is your final opportunity to review the move and ensure you're transferring the group to the correct board. Confirm the transfer by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled Move or Confirm. The group, along with all its items and data, will now be moved to the destination board. You might need to wait a moment while Monday.com processes the transfer, especially if the group contains a large number of items. And there you have it. You've successfully moved a group from one board to another in Monday.com, making it easy to reorganize your projects and keep your workspace clean and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.